Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what makes a candidate stand out beyond just their resume? Or why some candidates seem to fit perfectly into certain roles and organizations? Understanding and defining candidate experience and attributes is key to answering these questions. Think of a successful candidate as a puzzle piece that fits perfectly into our company's puzzle. It's not just about having the right shape, that is qualifications, but also the right colors and patterns, that is experience and attributes, that match our company culture and job requirements. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to understand what candidate experience and attributes mean, identify key attributes that employers look for in candidates, learn how to effectively present your experience and attributes in job applications. Let's start with the story of Maria, a graphic designer. When we were hiring for a design role at our charity organization, we had many applicants with solid portfolios and degree in design. However, what really set Maria apart was her unique experience working with nonprofits and her attributes such as empathy and strong communication skills. These qualities made her the perfect fit for our team, as we valued not only her technical skills, but also her ability to understand and convey our mission through her designs. Adaptability, the ability to adjust to new conditions and challenges. During the pandemic, we valued candidates who would quickly adapt to remote work environments and new technologies. Problem-solving skills, the ability to identify solutions and resolve issues efficiently. An IT support specialist who successfully resolves technical issues promptly, ensuring minimal downtime for the company. Communication skills, the ability to convey information clearly and effectively. A customer service representative who can handle complaints and queries in a calm and clear manner, ensuring customer satisfaction. Teamwork, the ability to work well with others and contribute to team success. A project manager who coordinates between different departments to ensure a project is completed on time and within budget. Leadership, the ability to lead, motivate, and guide others. A sales manager who inspires their team to exceed targets through effective leadership and support. Imagine you're reviewing applications for a marketing manager position. The job circular lists required experience such as managing marketing campaigns and attributes like creativity and strategic thinking. Here is what you should look for in applicants' material to see if they highlight these qualifications effectively. Experience section. Look for detailed descriptions of previous marketing roles, focusing on campaigns managed, results achieved, and any innovative strategies implemented. Skills section. Check for listings of creativity and strategic thinking skills, with examples like developed a creative social media campaign that increased engagement by 40%. The cover letter should address the required experience and attributes directly. For example, an applicant might write, with over 5 years of experience engaging diverse marketing campaigns, I have developed a keen sense of creativity and strategic thinking. At XYZ company, I led a campaign that resulted in a 30% increase in sales within 3 months by utilizing innovative social media strategies. This not only confirms their qualifications but also provides concrete examples of their skills in action. Consider Alex, a recent graduate who applied for a software development position at our company. Initially, Alex's resume was generic, simply listing his degree and job titles. However, after understanding the importance of highlighting specific skills, Alex reworked his resume to include technical skills section at the top, listing his proficiency in Java, Python, and Agile methodologies. In his cover letter, Alex described a project where he used these skills to develop a software solution that improved his company's efficiency by 30%. This targeted approach made Alex stand out, leading to several interview invitations and ultimately a job offer from us. For a data analyst position, we might prioritize analytical skills and technical proficiency. Candidates who effectively demonstrate these attributes through past projects and specific examples will have a competitive edge. Think of a job application as a tailored suit. Just as a suit must fit perfectly to look its best, an application must be tailored to fit the specific job requirements, showcasing how the candidate's unique experience and attributes make them the ideal fit for our company. Identify a job listing in your field, analyze the required experience and attributes, then create a mock resume and a cover letter tailored to that job, emphasizing how you meet those requirements. You can read What Color is Your Parachute by Richard N. Bowles for a deeper understanding of the topic.